Hello friends, welcome back to tootscorner.com videos. Today let's see simple chicken soup. This classic comforting chicken soup is easy to make, gentle on the stomach and perfect for cold days or when you need a wholesome nourishing meal. Ingredients: 1 cup shredded cooked chicken breast, lean protein that keeps you full and supports recovery. Half cup chopped carrots, adds natural sweetness and nutrients. Half cup chopped celery, adds crunch and is great for digestion. Half cup chopped onion, adds flavor and mild sweetness. 2 cups homemade chicken broth, made by boiling water with bone-in chicken, onions, carrot, celery, garlic and herbs like parsley or thyme. For homemade broth, combine these ingredients in a pot of water, bring to a boil and simmer for 45 to 60 minutes. Strain before use. 1 teaspoon olive oil, a healthy fat that enhances flavor. Salt and black pepper to taste for seasoning. Instructions: prepare ingredients, shred the cooked chicken and chop the vegetables. Cook in a pot. Heat olive oil over medium heat. Add onions, carrots and celery. Saute for 5 minutes until softened. Simmer. Add shredded chicken, broth, salt and black pepper. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Serve. Pour into a bowl and enjoy warm. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.